I'm sitting here in the backyard with Fenwick. It's the last day of the month, last day of the Supreme Court, last day of Pride Month, last day of the quarter for bankers, last day of the fiscal year for many schools. But we've been talking about the Supreme Court. He knows more than you think. He reads a lot, listens. What troubles me is this continuation of these rulings that favor these whiny Christians. Now, I'm a Christian, but there's a whole group of subculture out there of Christians who think they're being persecuted when we ask them to abide by the rules the rest of us live by. For instance, 2 years ago during the pandemic, all of us were trying to wear masks and stay out of public places. But no, these conservative Christians, they wanted to be exempt from these rules because it was impinging on their religious liberty. Hogwash. And then up here in New York, in a case this week, a postman wanted to be exempt from working on Sunday. Well, I can understand that and honor it, but he wanted his co-workers to pick up the slack for him. Well, that's not going to go well. But he took it to the Supreme Court and won. And out there in Colorado, that baker did not want to bake a cake for some of his neighbors. He didn't like the way they lived. He didn't agree with them. So he said, I'm not going to serve you. And he took it all the way to the Supreme Court. And today, this week, the justices said, he's right. He has religious liberty. I don't buy all this. And I'll tell you what, I think there's going to be a backlash against this. People are not going to like this. I don't like this. I don't like it when people put up a sign on their business, no LGBTQ served, or on their church, we're not going to obey the public health protocols. No, this is not good. There's going to be a backlash. But it's Friday afternoon. It's a beautiful day, beginning of a holiday weekend. I hope you have a good time. Hope you're safe as we celebrate this wonderful country.